Okay, so this is the new DTC hinges. The cabinets actually come with two different holes. Basically what you want to do is focus on the bottom one. So what happens is after you actually put on the hinges, you want to take the back plate off with this little lever right here and then attach it, because there is no access point with the new hinges from here. So there are going to be two holes after you place everything in and you take the back plate off. Two holes. What you want to do is attach them to the bottom ones. So I'm going to go ahead and attach them for you. This is going to be the way you are going to be putting together these hinges. Essentially that's what we're going to do. Okay. Okay. This part right here goes into the little hook. That's where you want to anchor it first. Once it goes in, whoops, just make sure it goes in, and then push it in. Once you hear the click, it's clicked in. There we go. Clicked in. Now it's done.